For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Until this point in time, the worth of the Tezos cryptographic money token, XTZ, has come around more than 69%. It has especially diminished by over 84% since the symbolic's pinnacle. The drop in XTZ's cost has been welcomed on by the unpredictability and vulnerability that have been made in both the conventional securities exchange and the digital money markets because of a few macroeconomic reasons in a significant manner. Worldwide instability has been for the most part impacted by the continuous Russia-Ukraine struggle, record high expansion welcomed on by rising fuel and food costs, and the U.S. Federal Reserve's sooner than anticipated fixing of money-related approach to really direct the higher buyer costs. What is the especially long-haul standpoint at the cost of the XTZ token? In this piece, we'll truly look all the more carefully at the blockchain and cost gauges for Tezos in an unobtrusive manner. What precisely is a Tezos, XTZ, token? Tezos explicitly is an open-source stage upheld by validators, scholastics, and developers from everywhere the world. It means to eliminate huge impediments to the reception of blockchain for resources and applications. The Tezos stage depends on shrewd agreements. The local coin of the Tezos blockchain is called XTZ, which basically is very critical. It sort of is utilized to interface with decentralized applications, DApps, by and large compensation charges, certainly defend the organization through marking, and give a basic bookkeeping unit. The underlying coin offering, ICO, of Tezos was directed in mid-2017. Throughout 2 weeks, nearly $232 million in Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, were raised, well surpassing the venture's $20 million objective. Research engineer Arthur Brightman, who previously worked for Google X and the business Waymo, was the person who originally proposed the Tezos blockchain. In September 2014, Brightman distributed a white paper with additional subtleties and particulars on the Tezos project. He guaranteed that while Tezos offered an on-chain administration approach, Bitcoin's plan was really defective and didn't give an exceptionally comprehensive administration process. To keep the organization from forking, this would in every way that really matters, let symbolic holders vote on proposed convention alterations, which is genuinely critical. Tezos, XTZ, current price. Tezos is as of now worth $1.45. XTZ has moved -5.60% as of now with an exchanging volume of $45,963,969 and in every way that really matters, large way. Tezos sort of is right now positioned 41 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,324,058,820 Using the truly relative strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union dissimilarity, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Tezos, XTZ, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Tezos, XTZ, price predictions. Financial backers ought to remember the critical instability of the digital money industry while taking a gander at Tezos cost projections. Conjectures are dependent upon mistakes since they depend on presumptions made by examiners in light of earlier execution. The decision to put resources into the Tezos coin is completely dependent upon you. Prior to going with venture choices, consistently think about a symbolic's organization arrangements, and basics. Moreover, never risk effective financial planning subsidizes that you can't bear to lose. Tezos, XTZ, price prediction 2022. Tezos, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. XTZ. The XTZ cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $2.18, or so they thought. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $2.03 in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. XTZ is supposed to have a base worth of $1.74. Tezos, XTZ, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Tezos XTZ cost expectation especially has a lot of space for extension. Because of the especially likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of XTZ will before long outperform $3.63 in a significant manner. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the XTZ's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, XTZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.90 and a typical exchanging cost of $3.19, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Tezos, XTZ, Price Prediction 2024, or so they by and large thought. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $5.08 and XTZ might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met, as opposed to prevalent thinking. XTZ by and large is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $4.64 and a low of $4.35 in 2024. Tezos, XTZ, Price Prediction 2025. On the off chance that Tezos effectively supports market feeling among digital currency fans, the XTZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, XTZ will be green in 2025. The XTZ really is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025 amazingly especially. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $6.53, with a base cost of $5.80 and a typical cost of $6.09. Tezos, XTZ, Price Prediction 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the XTZ cost truly is supposed to cross a normal value level of $7.54 by 2026, with a base cost of $7.25 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, XTZ has a greatest value worth of $7.98. Tezos, XTZ, Price Prediction 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that really are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the kind of typical cost to around $8.99. On the off chance that XTZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a genuinely most extreme cost of $9.43. Neglecting to assemble the help XTZ needs by 2027 could bring about an especially low of $8.70.